Welcome to the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering at Arizona State University. Our college houses the undergraduate and graduate degree programs for engineering, computer science, and a majority of the technology programs that are offered at ASU. This presentation will explore the environmental engineering degree program. ASU has 4 campuses that span the Phoenix metro area, and the Fulton Schools of Engineering are located on 2 of those, the Tempe campus and the Polytechnic campus. The degree programs within the School of Sustainable Engineering in the Built Environment, also called CB, are located at the Tempe campus. All campuses are open to all students regardless of where their program is located. We offer a free inter-campus shuttle for our students so that they can explore courses, student orgs, activities, and resources at any campus. At Fulton, we offer 25 undergraduate degree programs, which provides a lot of choice and flexibility in finding the program that fits for you. We are called the Fulton Schools of Engineering because we categorize our degree programs into 6 schools, which are organized by theme and location. The first 5 schools from left to right are housed at the Tempe campus, and the Polytechnic School is housed at the Polytechnic campus. Our environmental engineering students belong to the School of Sustainable Engineering in the Built Environment, which you will see towards the left of the infographic. Each school has its own director, affiliated faculty, and advising unit so as to provide greater support and specific guidance to the students within that school. ASU and Fulton have direct admission, meaning when students apply, they apply directly to the degree program they want to pursue. As long as a student meets the admissions criteria for their program of interest, they are admitted. It is important to note that some of the degree programs, including environmental engineering, have slightly higher admissions criteria than the general university requirements. For a comprehensive list of admissions criteria, you can visit the Fulton Schools of Engineering website at engineering.asu.edu. Students in CB are located at the Tempe campus, which is both their academic and residential home. First-year freshmen are expected to live on campus their first year, and our CB students are currently registering for housing in the Tucker House. Tucker House is the residential hall for all of the engineering and computer science disciplines, and we're also expanding to University House for the 2020-2021 academic year. Students that are a part of Barrett, the Honors College, live in Barrett housing, but are given the opportunity to live on an engineering-specific floor if they choose.
The environmental engineering program educates tomorrow's engineers to solve complex environmental problems and design systems at the human, urban, and planetary scale. Environmental engineers are actively involved with the following topics and activities: air quality monitoring and air pollution control technology, analysis of the transport of pollutants, application of sustainable design principles, design and operation of water and wastewater treatment systems, design of hazardous waste containment systems, design of solid waste management systems, remediation of contaminated soil, sediment, and water quality, water conservation, and water reuse. Our ASU environmental engineering faculty receives national funding for a wide range of educational and research endeavors. Some of the exciting areas of ongoing research are related to sustainable engineering of urban systems, environmental biotechnology, and environmental nanotechnology. Graduates from the environmental engineering program have career opportunities in both the private and public sector. The private sector consulting industry in environmental engineering is growing as greater environmental awareness and emerging unique pollutants require continual refinement of regulations and environmental system design standards. In the public sector, municipalities and regulating agencies require a knowledgeable workforce to understand how public policy can improve human health and ecosystem services through environmental engineering processes. The emphasis of this degree is to have environmental engineers design and build drinking water and wastewater treatment facilities, containment soil and water remediation systems, and hazardous and solid waste confinement systems. Our environmental engineering curriculum has the student focus on the skills that give them the ability to recognize and solve multifaceted engineering problems by using the core principles of calculus, chemistry, and engineering. We want each student to apply those design skills to generate resolutions that meet the needs of public health, safety, and welfare while considering global, cultural, social, environmental, and economic factors. We achieved the previously mentioned learning outcomes through a very detailed and rigorous pathway of courses. On this slide is a representation of our environmental engineering major map and the semester-by-semester structure of classes the students will journey through. In recognition of the interdisciplinary nature of environmental engineering challenges, the degree program incorporates courses from other programs in the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering, including chemical engineering and environmental resources management. Environmental engineering courses build on a strong foundation in chemistry, biology, geology, physics, and mathematics. Courses in this major cover fundamental engineering concepts applied to environmental processes and environmental engineering design with focuses on water, air, and soil quality. Students will also get applied learning experiences, including a required internship or research experience, and capstone design course. They should be able to speak and write their designs and solutions in an effective manner that a range of clients can clearly understand the project goals. We teach students to identify ethical and professional responsibilities in engineering situations and make educated and informed decisions with considerations towards global, economic, environmental, and societal contexts. Here are a couple of common questions we get about the environmental engineering degree. What does the environmental engineering degree focus on educationally? Well, the degree focuses on air, water, and soil quality and their remediation. It does not have a background in renewable energies like wind or solar. This degree focuses on chemical engineering, environmental resources management, environmental processes, and environmental engineering design concepts. How does the environmental engineering program help with career preparation? The curriculum prepares students for the fundamentals of engineering exam, which can lead to the future professional engineer licensing exam. All of our students are able to find their own research opportunities under the tutelage of our faculty while still pursuing their degree. Most importantly, there is a mandatory internship or research practicum as well as a final capstone design project for all students to gain some valuable initial experiences in the field.
Hi, my name is Max Silverman. I'm a second-year student studying environmental engineering. And just to get into that, so coming out of high school, going into college, didn't know exactly what I wanted to get into, but I did know that I had an interest in microbiology and chemistry, and just overall sort of water. Had always been interested in natural water landscapes, stuff like that, bodies of water. And luckily I found environmental engineering was a sort of a unique way to combine some of the things I didn't know I was interested in, because there was a lot I didn't know. And luckily so getting into it, the first couple semesters of the major start out with some chemistry. So you'll take 2 semesters of chemistry as opposed to what most engineers will just take the 1 semester. And that really helps you, develop your background, anchor the sort of core principles that you'll look back to in a lot of the courses further down. And then you progress into some of your first major specific courses later on. So looking at intro to environmental engineering, learning a lot about some of the regulations that influence careers in environmental engineering, and such as like national EPA standards. A lot of stuff is geared towards that. And also progressing further down, you look at, as you get into more of the major specific courses, you look at exactly how you focus on, water treatment, air quality treatment, and, solid waste management, things that are really important and make up a lot of the careers in environmental engineering. And ultimately, one of the reasons I am so interested in this and always find the motivation to keep going and really enjoy it is because what success looks like as like a successful environmental engineering project, really what it looks like to a community. It could be safer, water quality, better air quality, and just overall, beautification. And that's something that's really, I think it's something you can be proud of, and it makes it that much more, makes me more passionate about it, and really just keeps me motivated. So that's my experience so far. And yeah, if anyone has any questions, please reach out. And I have a lot of things to share about it. So.
Thank you for taking this time to explore the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering. If you have any questions about applying to Fulton, please contact us at fultonschools@asu.edu. If you have any specific questions about the degree program covered in this presentation, please contact us at cb.advising@asu.edu.